Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, or discuss with you, the cheapest bike insurance in the UK. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you're trying to get one on two wheels here in the UK without your insurance code costing more than the actual machine, well, you have to be smart about how you shop. Now, a really wild trend across the UK market right now is that a fully comprehensive policy actually tends to be significantly cheaper than basic third-party cover. Now, the averaging around like £228 through major platforms. To secure the absolute lowest rates here are the four best options that you may want to look at. So in this case, first is if you are on a moped scooter or a standard 125cc commuter, well, BikeSure here is arguably your best starting point. They are a specialist broker famous for offering rock bottom rates to younger or entry-level riders. Now, with some basic 125cc plans starting from just like £93 a year, because they are true bike enthusiasts. So they are incredibly lenient with common cosmetic modifications and will manually look for discounts that standard corporate algorithms completely ignore. Now, second is we have what we call, or if you want the most bang for your buck here, you should check out Bennett's. Now, Bennett's here, they compare a huge panel of the UK's top motorcycle insurers to find you a highly competitive rate. But their real trick is that they throw a completely free bike social membership worth like £60. Now, this unlocks massive ongoing discounts on track days, heavy-duty locks, and rigid gear at major retailers, which beautifully offsets the actual cost of your premium. Now, third is we have, or if you have more than one bike or one premium add-ons for cheap, well, Devitt here is a stellar choice. Now, operating for over 90 years, they are the kings of cheap multi-bike policies, letting you bundle up to like 4 different rides onto a single renewal date to save a massive chunk of cash. They also throw in a 10% discount for sports bike shop, now for highly discounted add-on packages to protect your expensive helmet and leathers. And finally, if your goal is to purely finding the literal lowest numbers on paper, well, your best option is the dedicated comparison route using platforms like the Bike Insurer or even like Go Compare. Because the market is so cutthroat here, plugging your details into a specialized bike aggregator forces over 40 providers to compete for your business. Now, in fact, recent data shows that like 10% of the budget riders using these this comparisons engines manage to secure their annual coverage for an unbelievable like £80 or less. Just remember to pay the full balance upfront annually to dodge nasty monthly interest fees here, and you'll be good to hit the road safely and cheaply. And that's about it. So, if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.